Welcome to IBIS, the smart business intelligence layer for ERPNext. In the next few minutes, you'll see how IBIS connects to your live ERPNext data, lets you explore it with 16 chart types, build dashboards with drag and drop, and get AI-powered insights, all without writing a single line of SQL. Let's start by signing in. We'll log in with our Infinity Garments Egypt account. Here are our dashboards, 5 of them, each packed with live charts, already populated with real data from ERPNext, sales intelligence, supply chain, customer analytics, executive boardroom, and people metrics, all at a glance. Let's open the Customer 360 dashboard. 8 widgets paint a complete picture of our customers. At the top, a geomap shows customer distribution by territory, alongside a donut chart of customer segments and a live count of total customers tracked. Every one of these charts queries the ERPNext database live. Scrolling down reveals more insights. A histogram of lifetime value distribution, a bar chart of our top customers ranked by spend, a detailed customer table with full contact and metrics columns, and league tables with rank and share calculations. Each widget queries independently, so one slow chart never blocks the rest of the dashboard. Now let's look at chart building. On the left, the Builder panel shows your dataset, 16 chart types to choose from, plus dimensions, measures, and filters. On the right, a live preview updates as you make changes. Select a line chart, pick a date dimension and account measure, and your trend appears instantly, all querying ERPNext live. IBIS supports 16 chart types. Let's open a few. First, a geomap showing customer distribution by territory. Then a heat map of departments and designations. A tree map for headcount. A scatter plot of lifetime value versus activity. And finally, a pivot table breaking down suppliers by purchase order status. You can add filters to narrow down the data, sort by any column, and limit the number of rows. Every change reruns the query automatically, so the chart updates as you type. Now let's jump to the executive boardroom, a 13-widget dashboard covering group performance, collections, and market posture, a completely different view of the same ERPNext data. Beyond dashboards, IBIS includes projects to organize your analytics work, with folders and permissions for teams. SQL Lab lets you write and run custom queries directly against your data warehouse, with result previews and charting. Models give you a semantic layer, define relationships, calculated fields, and business logic once, reuse everywhere. Datasets connect to your ERPNext doc types, letting you pick fields, set refresh schedules, and manage row-level security. And connections is where you link IBIS to your ERPNext instance, one API key, and your data is live. Finally, the data catalog, an inventory of all your assets with ownership, tags, and status. Switch to Lineage to trace how data flows from source to dashboard. That's IBIS in just a few minutes. Dashboards with live ERPNext data, 16 chart types, a visual chart builder, SQL Lab, models, datasets, and a full data catalog with Lineage. Check the next videos for deep dives into each feature. Thank you for watching.